subscribe and tap the bell not to miss exciting videos from Home #Life. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life, and in today's video I will be sharing few new home and kitchen organization tips and ideas which will be helpful to keep your home mess free and of course functionally organized. First idea is how we can maximize unutilized space for a small home. In the kitchen, side of the fridge can be utilized if we have a good organizer. I came across this fridge side storage rack and liked the idea. Like this, you can assemble and it has 4 suction caps. Here you can store daily used kitchen towels, wraps, foils, tissue box. Although I stored garbage bags in this empty tissue container, also it has a section where you can store paper towel. But big ones will not fit into this holder, for that you need to get smaller ones. Also in this rack you can store spices only up to 3 small jars. In these hooks you can hang aprons, grocery bags, etc. If you have a space crunch, then you can organize this space in this manner, but before buying, be sure about your need and want. In our new home, we have this cabinet under wash basin area where currently I have stored hand towels, cleaning product, vacuum cleaner, outdoor sports gears and whatnot. I call it as a miscellaneous cabinet, and right now it is the most messy cabinet in our home. So I had to tackle this cabinet first. So I bought this stackable basket to organize the space. It has 2 wheels and 4 adjustable latches. You can store cosmetics, fruits, onion, potato. You can store cake and biscuit packets in pantry. Options are unlimited. I bought 2 of them and decided to organize this messy cabinet in a functional way. I decided to put hand towels in the upper basket so that we can access them easily, and in the lower basket I kept few extra tools, extra cleaner and dirty dusting clothes. And side of the basket is the perfect spot to store all these handle dusters. And if you are wondering where you can find this basket locally, then you can find them probably in Spar. I have seen these baskets there too. They were cost around $1.99 at the time. It's probably 2 to 3 months back I have seen them there. Now moving on to the right side of the cabinet where I have decided to keep cleaning spray and cleaning clothes, and I found this space saving 2-tier stand which is the perfect fit for the space. Above I stored all cleaning spray, and on bottom shelf I kept cleaning clothes. So easy to access for daily use, and I just love how the system turned out. And if I need to access the back, all I need to do is take out the entire stand like this, access the back of the cabinet, and so easily I can put it back in its own place. Same method I can follow here. Just take out the upper basket so that I can see what is behind, access them, and again I can put back the basket in its place. I was able to give this cabinet such a functional organization system, and that too within budget. Hit the like button if you love it too. Another space I was struggling with is this cabinet in our kitchen. It is a big nice cabinet to hold all our pots and pans, but accessing them daily was so annoying for me. I have to take out something else to reach something in the back. Then I was in search of a product which can fit into this cabinet and I came across this product, and let me tell you, I just love it. It cost 1099-ish, but all worth the money. It is heavy, very good quality, and assembling is way easier. Just place it like that and store all your pans systematically. It can hold up to 5 pans if you place it horizontally. Also, you can arrange your pans vertically instead of horizontally. This way you can store more flat pans without scratching their surface. And left side of the cabinet, I placed this corner plate rack to hold our everyday used pans, milk boiling utensils, and a spare kadhai. I don't know if it is Pinterest worthy or not, but it's definitely a super organized kitchen cabinet which you will look forward to use on daily basis. Another organizer I just love is this multifunctional office desk organizer. Probably you have seen it in our kitchen tour video. Here I love to keep magazines, cookbooks, daily planner, pens, notebook, bills, and whatnot. It really helps you to stay organized with a Pinterest-worthy look. As I never mention about this fruit organizer or fruit basket, I thought it really deserves a shout out. Many of you asked me from where I got this. I brought it from Home Stop 3 years back and the price was probably 1200 at that time. I really adore it, and it helps to see your fruits, encourage to eat them often, and also it's a lovely decor piece to keep on your kitchen countertop. One of my most favorite home organizer is this hanging laundry bag. If you have a small space in your bathroom to keep a laundry basket, this laundry bag is all you need to make your space functional. Just hang it from anywhere in your bathroom and store your day-to-day laundry in there. Made out of steel hanger and canvas clothes, and it has a pocket where I used to keep sanitary napkins for emergency purpose. I wanted to give a shout out to this company. I even don't know they still exist or not. I bought it from Kolkata. I'm using this product from last 10 years without a complaint. It's easy to carry to your utility area, unzip it and take out all the clothes for washing. Who loves a messy drawer with scattered spoon and fork? So to organize your cutlery drawer, this type of kitchen cutlery organizer helps you to organize your kitchen drawer. I bought this from D-Mart almost 6 years back and still it holds up very well. It helps to organize your spoon and fork very neatly. Also, you can store your cosmetics in this cutlery organizer. Store everyday used lipstick, kajal, foundations, blenders, etc. You can use it to organize your stationery drawer as well. To avoid this everyday chaos, we can invest little money to get a functional space. Organize everyday pens, pencils, tape, etc. in this cutlery organizer. A neat and tidy space always lift your mood and make you more productive. But do not forget, you don't need, you don't buy. Go for the organizer only if you need them. Here comes the last and my current favorite organizer, which is this hand towel stand. It's very sturdy and a good quality product. Right now I'm using it on our bathroom countertop. I didn't want to put a hole on the side of this cabinet, but the space was very less for a stand. This towel holder is working great for the small space. Also, you can easily keep it on your kitchen countertop to hang daily used hand or tea towels from them. Looks very elegant and solve your purpose as well. All the product links will be in the description box below. If you wish, you can check them there. Make sure to leave this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And wishing you a very happy Mother's Day to all my lovely hardworking mamas out there. All you need to know that you are the best mother for your child. Be blessed always. That's all for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.